I could have been misinformed, but that's what I was doing when Susan's group was here.
Next time, right?
Hot. It's like super practice.
Yeah, you were very good. We're going to go to the tunnel.
Three dogs have slipped out in the tunnel, just letting you know.
Yeah. There's a lot of dogs sliding inside the tunnel, just so you know. But we still have to do them, so.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know.
Yeah. You're going the wrong way on that one.
Guys need to follow the same pattern, man. I know.